fact that in these rains, all you guys have gathered over here, even the media. But I know you guys have been waiting for a long time. And before we start off with having all this fun and craziness, and I've got a big surprise here, I've got a very big rapper in the house as well tonight. So before we do that, there's been something in my mind, on my heart, and I think all of you all must be sensing it. Everyone's a little heavy because there have been attacks all over the world the last couple of days, whether it's been Istanbul, whether recently now Dhaka. So it doesn't feel right if we don't pay respect to the people who lost their lives or to those families. So if you can just maintain silence, maybe for just a few seconds, just for them, just some silence and say a small prayer. Pray to any God you'll believe in, just for those lives that have been lost. So, Midi Bhai! So guys, I'm here for my new film called Dishum. I hope you've heard of it. It's going to release on July 29th. I play this character called Junaid Ansari. Junaid Ansari पैदा हुआ था भेंडी बाजार के अगल में, लेकिन जवानी आई बुर्ज खलीफा के बगल में. कमाता हूँ मैं धर्म में, लेकिन खर्चता हूँ मैं रुपए में. खाता हूँ उनकी, लेकिन सुनता हूँ सिर्फ मोदी जी की. Very special film. My brother's directing the film. It's his second film after Desi Boys, and I love the track Saw Tarake. But today, actually, we are here for another track, the second track of Dishum called To Dishum. I don't know how many of you all have watched the video, but it's out on YouTube now. Have any of you all seen it? So who hasn't, please go see it. And we are going to do a live performance on To Dishum, first time ever anywhere in Midi Bhai. So before we start off with that, I just want to show you all the trailer of To Dishum, and before that, we'll start off with this is the trailer of the film. The trailer of the film Dishum.
पहले मैच में पाकिस्तान के सामने 86, उसके बाद बांग्लादेश के सामने 124 और अब सेमीफाइनल में 94 नॉट आउट. विराट, जब भी तू बॉलर्स की पैंट उतारता है, नंगा होता हूं मैं.
36 घंटे में इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान का मैच है. इसके बारे में किसी को कोई
It's a little embarrassing because I think I've won the same underwear. I was just looking at that and I was just thinking, it's a coincidence. I didn't plan this, honestly. But I was sitting there. But anyway, so we're here to launch the second song of Dishum called To Dishum, and I have with me a very, very special man. Swag Mera Desi, the one and only Raftaar!
देख दम तेरे भाई में, वरुण और रफ्तार आज मिडी भाई में. So how did you like the trailer? कैसा लगा? I know girls and I had fans of Varun. जब से मैंने tweet डाला कि I'm going with Varun to do promotions, Mrs. Varun Dhawan, Varun का प्यार, Varun की lover have tweeted insane amounts of retweets for me. Okay, bro, I am jealous. But okay, anyhow, did you like the trailer? Okay, is there anything that makes you go To Dishum? To Dishum means किसी लड़की को छेड़ा,
To Dishum.
मेरे इंडिया को बुरा कहा,
To Dishum.
जन गन पे ना खड़ा हुआ,
To Dishum.
So is there anything that makes you all To Dishum?
Anything
अरे नारी शक्ति जागो!
Anything that bothers you guys, anything that upsets you.
ये तो पागल हो गया बेटा, पढ़ाई नहीं किया था Dishum. That's the first comment from a student.
आप टीचर तो नहीं हो? Anything else, guys? Anything from this side? मेरे भाई से पंगा
ये तो गाने में भी है.
ये तो
सुना है भाई ने सुना है.
अटेंडेंस नहीं दिया तो ये आप किसको बोल रहे हो?
अपन कॉलेज में कहते थे प्रॉक्सी नहीं लगाया तो Dishum.
Dishum, correct. बंक नहीं किया तो
Dishum.
Okay, so I think since we have Raftaar over here, it's a big honor even for me, because usually when we launch songs, actors never have the singers over there. हम लोग आपके lip sync कर लेते हैं, we look cool and all. But just so that everyone knows over here, and I know Mithi Bhai is a very creative college. You all find very creative ways of bunking college. So that's why I think it's a big honor that Raftaar will actually sing a few lines of the song, and there's a special rap which is not in the video, which he's going to do for you guys as well, which is very difficult.
ऐसे फंसा देते मेरे को. Okay, but before I know, everybody is waiting for me to do the Swag Mera Desi free thing, right? Are you ready? Is there somebody who can do the free fast verse of Swag Mera Desi with me? Anybody?
Any rapper over here? Anyone who
There must be, यार.
Anyone who sings? कोई आपका
बहुत
दोस्त
है. मिठी भाई and no rapper, can't believe.
कोई आपका दोस्त है? Push him on stage.
Push it, bro. मेरा भाई किससे कम है? मेरे भाई में भी दम है. Okay, I'll give you a cue. तू मेरा साला और पूरी नहीं है. मैं बड़ा फैला मेरा चला और फोटो पे चढ़ाऊं तेरी फूल वाली माला भी मेरा नहीं तोड़ है भाई तेरा इंडिया में रैप कर हिंदी वाला तो मेरा बस एमिनेम रैप गॉड है. So there was this fast verse that we did for Dishum as well, which is not a part of the video, but it's in the song. It's in the song.
It's in the whole song as well.
So we do the song first.
We do the song first.
Yeah, let's do that.
We do it with the sound behind.
Yeah, let's do it with the sound.
Do you have the track?
मुझे याद है वो बातें मेरे. अच्छा.
वो अच्छा ऐसे बोल.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Mithi Bhai, Varun, Raftaar. मुझे याद है वो बातें मेरे बचपन की. डैडी कहते थे छोटा सिंगर चलेगा नहीं. मम्मी प्यार से खिलाती दाल चावल और दही. माँ के हाथों का वो जादू 5 स्टार में नहीं. पर की मिली कॉलेज डिग्री. मेरी जॉब इन ट्रेजेडी है जो सैलरी. एक लड़की मिली थी वो भी डाउन कर गई. तो बोले को बैठा हूँ कोई मिले तो सही. कोई करता है फिर ना उसको छोड़ता थोड़ी सुन कर चीटिंग और खेले कोई. थोड़ी सुन इंडिया को बुरा कहा. थोड़ी सुन गन पे न खड़ा हुआ. थोड़ी सुन थोड़ा पीछे तेरी तो बोले के सब मानो पीछे. थोड़ा पीछे तेरी तो बोले के सब मानो के पीछे. गाने लगा हूँ मैं तो मेरी मेरी के फोटो के लेके रहता हूँ. आजू बाजू के किने में देख चली. पर लाइफ कोई हानि से वीडियो नहीं. मेरे को में जाए जितना भी हीरो होता हूँ. रातों को बची है कि तुम लेके सोता हूँ. कभी कभी किसी पार्टी में ज्यादा हो गई. याद करके पुरानी बातें खूब रोता हूँ. बंदा सीधा रबदा मैं टिक तेरे बलगा मैं. हद छोड़ना दे फिर कभी नहीं चढ़ता. कोई थोड़ी सुन थोड़ी सुन everybody थोड़ी सुन थोड़ी सुन. रहना थोड़ा सा पीछे नहीं तो बोलेंगे सबके कानों के नीचे. रहना थोड़ा सा पीछे नहीं तो बोलेंगे सबके कानों के नीचे.
गाना सुनने के लिए मजा आया. Honestly, thank you guys. This is very special and thank you Raftaar for taking out time.
माशाल्लाह भाई ने पूरा दिन बचाया. कितना थैंक यू करेंगे. But he's a very humble guy. I'll let you know. I was at my place and he called me up. So I was like, भाई मैं वरुण बोल रहा हूँ. And I couldn't believe. See, at the end of the day, I'm a rapper. ठीक है अपनी इज्जत है पर actors are on a different level in India. You all know that. So, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands up for Varun!
Okay guys, so before we leave, because we're going to go and hit up a lot of radio stations where we're going to do this, but something that I always say I didn't say in the beginning, that, and I genuinely mean this, from Main Tera Hero onwards, every film I've come first to promote, it's been in Mithi Bhai. You guys have been honestly very, very lucky to me. It's very close to my heart. So please go watch this show on July 29th. We've got some cool t-shirts for you guys. Even I don't have them as yet. And thank you to all
Neither
the
do I.
fans who came up with
Hold on, make noise!
You guys want to take a picture with me and Raftar? Should me and Raftar come down there?
Sure.
Should we come down there? Should we?
Chicken.
बैठ जाओ तुम लोग
Make some noise for Thank you, Mithi Bhai! Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone out there as well.
सर थोड़ा नीचे हाथ थोड़ा नीचे सर थोड़ा नीचे हाथ वरुण थोड़ा नीचे
वरुण लास्ट कॉर्नर वरुण सर सब लोग लेफ्ट में वरुण राइट
सर हाथ में